For the goat, what are we eating? Yeah, hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Oh my god. It depends on the place you would be watching me from. And on today's video is another special video, guys. I'm forever grateful for each and every person and for everything that you do. I'm forever grateful. I wanna say thank you so much for 26,000 subscribers. And for the returning subscribers, welcome. Make sure you subscribe again. If you have 2 or 3 accounts for subscribing. And of course, for this time, guys, I'm forever grateful. I'm back home. The other day we went to Tenwek. That's just a hospital located in Bomet. We went there to take Chacha Teds because he wasn't feeling okay. So we wanted to go there to do some further checkups on his health issues. So yeah, this day I'm looking for some nails that are in here. I want to go prepare something on our dreamland. We are resuming back. Had a lot of nails here, a lot, and I don't want them to get spoiled or to get lost, you know. And sometimes you go, you buy nails and you have nails here. So these ones, hopefully they'll just help us a little bit somewhere, you know. Yeah, so I'll be traveling from this place to our dreamland again. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. It was a very nice journey yesterday or the other day, traveling from one point to another, and also sharing with you our great time. Manu, where can we get kamfuko to take hata ichukue? Yeah, enda uweke nini, kuna misumari iko hapa. This misumari, yeah, it'd be better. No need kungechukua hii mti. Hiyo pange naweza hata kuikata. Naweza kata. Hii. Ama acha tutakata mti mmoja kutoka huko. So guys, sorry for me talking in Kiswahili. Kuna ile tarini. Tunakimbia in Swahili. Yeah. So guys, we are preparing ourselves. We want to do something very nice and very great. We want to go and create a very good bench before we put up maybe what you call like a store. Things are wageni. Mura. Mkona nini hapo mnauza bwana? Manyanyezi. Yes. Vipi? Guys, this is Daniel, Mr. Dan 254. Vipi?
Hi guys. Yes. Welcome to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. Consider subscribing, like and share. Yeah, Minia is around.
Yeah, she's around. Yeah. So you are selling tomatoes.
Yeah, we are selling.
This is direct from the farm, man. Yeah, this guy farmed tomatoes.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, so man, this is a great job. Yeah, she's inside. Let us
do some.
So you're doing some door-to-door delivery in each homestead.
Yeah.
Door-to-door. That's a very great work, man.
So let us
do something
from this.
Oh, from this home.
Yeah.
Mama Ray, kuna nyanya? Yeah, so guys, we are here. That's Mr. Dan 254. He just harvested his tomatoes and he's doing door-to-door delivery, which is a good thing, man. You know, also with me, when I harvested some watermelons, you know, sometimes you can't wait that customers will come for them. I think you could have called that and asked for it because I think it's at Go with Jay's place. Or should we go use the panga? Let's go use the panga. Yeah. You know, guys, when I harvested watermelons, you can't wait for customers to come and just buy from your home. You have to find them wherever they are, you know. You have to come for them, you know. Nyanya ziko hapo. Niko na kuitia nyanyez. Yeah. So let me go. Manu is here. Na ujue pikipiki kikukwamia wewe umetikisa hivyo. Jana kama hiyo kukuzimikia unazunguka. Najua mlienda kupiga mirando. Si mlienda kupiga mirando? Mlienda kuzunguka jana. Let's go. Hey guys, hey, tuko juju. Nini hii jembe tumeamua mchukue? Hakuna ingine.
Iko na kale kadogo.
Hey guys, you see the problem with my motorbike is so high. All is very high. So we are proceeding, and that's how things are going on. Let me go with the boys. Hey man, na break uliweka maji. Look at the view, guys. So let me tell you a story, guys. I went yesterday in Tenwek. Hey man, that place is so green. So green. And let's say very green, man. Yeah? Like, I don't know how much. But I was told it's only green in season. You know? And it's very cold. Very, very, very cold. Because of the heat. So going to live in Valley area. Because near also Masai land, because in a few kilometers from Bomet, you just find the Masai people there. You know, you could move around and see how green it is. You know, but the funny part is, the funny thing with that place is that no indigenous trees, starting from Kisi, you only see eucalyptus trees that are planted all along. You know? So I keep on telling you guys, please keep Chachatiris on your prayers, so that when the results are out, you can now know what the breed is starting from. We just came back in the village, resuming back to the store. Let's go check on what's going on. Let's keep on going. Just keeping on moving, guys. And that's how stuffs are all along. Now, boys, with a crab. You know the happiness of growing. You feel so much good and then the other time let's go prepare a bench. We'll see how things are rolling on. Hey, guys, you see how clean it is? Wow. Look at that. Look at those indigenous trees. People farming. Spania, that always people say Spania. Have you ever seen a big avocado tree like this? That's an avocado tree. It looks bigger. In Spania nowadays we have harsh avocados that just take 3 years to mature. Over here we have big avocados that grow bigger. You know, harsh avocados, they just grow very small and a lot of leaves. What I know, guys, from you is that you know even this village more than us, because we have been taking you to every route. Huh? Yeah. guys saw land here. It roofed this side. Doing the route. How are you, dog? That's our village Bosco. So this is Davy Blee's place. That's Davy Blee's place. That's they call village grandma's place. Villa 19. Okay. Moving at the Villa 19 place, heading downwards. Wow. Roaming in the village. Look at these indigenous trees. In some places you will not be able to see these trees, man. Like I was traveling all the way to the other side. It's very rare for you to see this kind of indigenous trees. This can be like a heritage to be preserved. This place, you know, because of these trees, man. But as time goes by, I know people will be greedy, will be cutting these trees down for charcoal. On this side of ours, these are the only heritage that we are proud of. These indigenous trees, these ones. Apart from this, people usually plant eucalyptus because they know eucalyptus after 6 years or after 10 years they harvest them for money. But these indigenous trees, they create a very nice serene environment. Very great. Very great. But people don't understand that. They have no idea about that. Look at that. People don't know the idea of creating the nature. Nature is created with, it starts with you. You love this kind of indigenous trees as well. Guys, this is what you see from the other side. You know, the funny part is this guy the manager, the so-called manager, is not around. So I have to trespass on my own land. Trespass and go into my side. Because now, no key, he's not even around. The funny part of this. These boys did a good job yesterday. They did a good job. You know when it's clean like that, it really shows very nice place. So let me trespass from down here. Then I see what's going on. Cloud once again. Cloud once again. People have been disturbing me all along. Okay. Cloud once again. Hapo mlifanya kazi mzuri. Tumebaki tu kuweka nyumba tuishi. So but for now, let us create a bench. We want to create a bench here. Eh? I think we can now tupigile kutoka kwa mti hapa juu, si ndio? Tuweke ingine hapa hivi. Lakini unajua kivuli akitaka hapa permanently. Ngine kinaenda huko. Yes, I'm telling my boy. Eh? I want to take it from here paka hapa. Then from here kutakuwa na ingine hapo hivi na ingine pale hivi. Just a bench. Then we see what's going on around. I want to take this. I want to take that nini from there. Yeah. I want to dismantle this bench from here. Like not all, but some. I want to take some boards from it. Some offcuts. You see, like this was very nice, very nice. But I want to take this one. And then I take also this one. Yeah. I also take this. I take also this. Kuja beba mbao wengine. So that bench, I just want to put a small, nimetoa tu moja tu hiyo moja. So this one will be on this place. You can create a bench here. This one has a very nice view. See it from here, and it's so nice and great. Yeah. Your boy Claude Joseph is grateful, guys. Me, I'm really grateful for each and everything. One step at a time. No hurry. Pole, pole. Pole, pole. You know? So, my brother is taking something here. Just trying to make... Hey, easy, bro. Trying to make a hole. Najua sasa itachimbiwa hadi hapa. Itachimbiwa hadi hapa. And the remaining. So, cut it. So it's cutting. First, we have to create a small bench. A relaxing place. Should be very much okay. Pole, pole. Yeah. To cut this tree here. Pole, pole. Then we'll see how it's going. Sometimes this tree is not easy. Kitu kenye kuko moja hapo. Imeandikwa moja kwenye tu kwa moja.
Hiyo si inasimama chini, haina shida.
Hii? Bado hizi sawa. So ukienda chini hadi hapa itakuwa nafasi nzuri. Yeah guys, so you see this tree will create a very nice shade, very nice shade. That's why you see I'm putting up just a temporary bench, but some days we'll put up something very nice, like we'll create this kind of portable timber trees. They are portable timber trees that I'll just create them on my own. The moment I just have the timbers and everything, I'll create them. Like there's something that I saw very well that you can use, create them very nice. Pasue mbao mura. Ushikanishe msumari songe kwenda mbele hivi. Ushikanishe ulaze. So ulaze na mkono. Maraba mko poa? Wewe laza huo kwanza. Afu nikuonyeshe physics yako. Physics yako. Kata kama mti yako. Yapi shikanishe kamba. Sawa. Mti mbichi sio hiyo. So slowly. No, that one, those are just making some temporary holes. Some temporary ones. We create a bench, because over here, if we don't create a bench, man, we will suffer. Because when we have a bench over this tree, down in this tree, it will really help us to create a very nice shade. You know, as you see around there. Coming here, sitting here, uploading videos from down here, and all will be well. Then we put there a small castor, you know. So the guy is compacting it over there. Pull. So you see how it's coming along, not bad. So we have to nail it, and it should be mwecheche. So itasonga ndani. Niambie mtendo kuja usimaidi.
Yaani ilikuwa hivi. Yere mnaambua mtihani ukikuja usianze kutoa, yaani uko na confidence. Usitense.
Pastuka.
Sasa. Kati mtihani ukikuja unaambua hasa usitense, yaani
don't tense.
Usianze ku
let me nail there. Then we see how it's going along. Tan. So pole guys, and then we see how things are moving on. See the original fundi. Fundi.
I mean the fundi.
Fundi Eric.
Eriki.
Yeah. It's okay. Just one nail. And it's good to go. Another one. then now I'll put up something here too. You should be sitting just like this. Another one. So we have to put another one here. Just like that. We nail it. So this one, it should be like this. The bench is very nice. Very nice. How should it be? Yeah, no. Why? This way. In between here, there have to be a pole. So, yeah, there have to be a pole here.
Siadhani mngegeuza hapa paende chini.
Hapa papo. Alafu hapo tutakuwa na mtindo refu pia. Si hivi. Need a tall tree. Nimechimba sana man. Bitu kate mti mwingine. Sina hapa. Hata mchangi tarudi ndani. Sawa. So, chimbia hapa. Alright. Ndogo. The nails are bigger. Msumari ni inchi 5 iko hapa bwana. Sijui inchi 6.
Hiyo ndio yenyewe.
Hai. Kwa hivi msurubu. Bench. 6 inch bro. Come on man. So let's put here, you see. This one. It's a strong one. No, this one is just hello, along lilo 14 suku. Hello, hi, a nice bench guys. Pole. So, guys, you see the bench, our favorite bench now. So I want to put up some I think we should be sitting like this. No, I want us to be sitting while looking the ndio tukaa tunaangalia mti, si ndio? We sit while looking the tree. So when you sit like this, you're okay, just like that. So at least something better. I'm gonna hold this for me. So while sitting like this, and it's very you have no idea guys. Let me that bank. Video bank. I want to show you something guys. I want to create something which you have never seen. A very nice favorite bench. And then I finish this. Yeah. Again, another one. Oh, kuna hii niko hapa. Another one. I want to show you something best you have never seen. Another. Yeah, this one is okay. Let us see. Just from here. Just like that one. Where's the other? And this one. Yeah. Or we can use the same this one. Two. Yeah. Magoti. It's not there. See, check it. Yay. Yay. I'm gonna show you. Christian, I want you to hold this one here. Like that. I'm going to cut a juice. No, it's okay. Good. Just like that. And then another one there. Then we put something that will be better. So I want to cut this here. Because I let it. Like that. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. Hii kwanza. Want to hammer it. Huh? I want to hammer it very tight. Just like that. Okay? Okay. Like that, right? Wait, and then come and give me up. Wait. Kashika na kakitu kadongo. Yeah. Okay. Have to use something very nice. Ini ya kuegemea. Hiyo chini. Ndio nitafute mbao. If you sit there. That. Let me improvise pole. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Temporary bench, guys. Sit. At least now. Hey, so just find a bench, put somewhere there. You feel it? Yeah? See me? Oh, inaendelea. It's continue, bro. Yeah, so just like that. Then it's good. Yule huko nyuma nipiga kapita kazuri. Tuko kwa nyuma tu hivi. Then it's okay. Hi. That's okay, just leave it. That's what you can enable communication. Hiya, kata man. So guys, our small bench is there. We are waiting for the house now from there. So we are heading back home. Because my phone is off, I wanna go check on something. It's literally going off. So yeah, we are here, and then maybe tomorrow we'll be putting up the poles now for the small house, you know. All right guys, so bye for now, and let's see what's going on. All right.